Hi, my name is Patty, and I wanted to show you how to use your vendor portal. You may have gotten an invitation from one of your clients to go to their company and go to your vendor portal. The vendor portal is for title searchers who've been invited by a company that's using Abstractor Pro. This is a company called Osborne Abstracting. It's a dummy company, but this is its dashboard for Abstractor Pro. And in it, it's a full service browser-based software where they can track all of their open orders, create new ones, put in all of their clients, vendors, products and fees, that kind of thing. So in your client's Abstractor Pro, they may have you as a vendor, and if you go to that vendor's profile, you can send an invitation to this title searcher at this email address and ask them to upload their fees, access the vendor portal, and do a lot of other things. So let's just show you how to do that. Here is the email for that top abstractors vendor, and here's the invitation that the client that's using Abstractor Pro sent to top abstractors, and it gives you a little bit of instruction and a link. So you click on this link and create your own password for Abstractor Pro. Now, once that's done, you've got a couple of different ways you can now access the vendor portal. You could go to the Abstractor Pro website and use this and sign on to the vendor portal. Now, Abstractor Pro is not a title searcher company. It's strictly software. But we've put this vendor portal here so that any vendor can access their portal from here. So that's one way to do it, or you could simply go to this URL, which I have in another tab, and just start typing in that same email address and fill in your password and sign in. And this gets you inside your client's vendor portal. In this case, I'm putting in the wrong password, I guess. So I've got to ask Abstractor Pro to send me a new password. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in my email address and reset my password. And now instructions will go to your email, which is right here. So there's the email that the Abstractor Pro system sent. And you can now reset your password. And now you do have to click this link in order to reset. So I'm going to click that link. I'm going to put in the new password. And now I should be able to sign in. Okay, so now I'm in. And there's two companies here that have this client, that have this vendor. Let's pretend you're the vendor top abstractors. So when you log into a vendor portal for Abstractor Pro, you're going to see all of the clients that have you, that are using Abstractor Pro, that have you listed as a vendor. So let's go to the Osborne Abstracting vendor portal. You click here, and these are all of your open orders. That's the first thing you're going to see. And then you can click here and look at the property information. Remember, this is a fake company, so we don't even have a John Smith listed here. And then there's the instructions. There's your fees. If you want, you can send a message, can't find, and the company that you're working for, Osborne Abstracting, could message you back here on your portal. Here, when you're done with the job, you can just upload it right here and label that your search package and hit the upload. You just drag and drop it. And now if you want, if you do separate invoices, you can upload a separate invoice. Again, just drag and drop. Or you could click on this and choose a file from your hard drive. And that's how you use this for each individual order you've been assigned. And now when you feel this order is fully completed, you just click this and that'll notify your client that the job is done. So now over here, you're going to see your menus. This is your open orders, which we have here, your completed orders, which you could then use to see what you've completed and what you're going to be paid. Here you put your products and fees for all the different types of jobs that you do. So in this case, you can import them or you can add them one at a time. Now, I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these products so I can show you how to import. Okay, I deleted all those. So now, if you wish to import all of your fees, you can, because you might cover a whole state or several counties, and each county has different prices for different products. So it would only make sense to be able to import so that you don't have to manually enter all those in. So you click this button, and now here you're going to download an Excel spreadsheet, just a sample, so you know the format that you need to put your counties and fees and products into. Now I have one over here. I'm going to go ahead and open. And this is the basic format. So you list the state and then the county. So doing one state and then the next state, one at a time, entering state, county, and then you've got your products. So if you do current owners, to owners, full search, update, doc retrieval, and we definitely want you to put your copy fees in. And I'm going to delete this and save that because we just don't need that in here for this purpose. And now once you're done with putting all of your state, county, products, and fees into this spreadsheet, you can now turn this into what's called a CSV file. So this way you have a way to instantly change any of these. You could have so many different fees for all different counties and states and products. So I'm sure there's some way you've been keeping track of these things over the years. So put all that into a spreadsheet like this. And then you keep this copy, keep it saved for your own records. And now you're going to save it as what's called a CSV file. And that's right there. And you save that CSV file. And now you're going to upload the CSV to your client vendor portal on Abstractor Pro. So let's now take a look at this. So again, you can click here to go to your desktop and pick wherever you have this filed, or you can just drag and drop that sample CSV is where I saved that to. So now once you get that in here, you click import CSV file, and you should match up all of those columns from your these are the columns from your CSV. Now you match them to the database fields in Abstractor Pro. And it's pretty simple. You just go through here. Okay, so I matched all of these columns in your CSV file. Now we'll go into the fields in Abstractor Pro for Osborne Abstracting, your client. And that way you'll have all of your fees just uploaded very quickly. And you just hit submit, and now you'll notice this is again your vendor portal, and we're in your products and fees, and here you've got them all listed here. If you click on this globe, you can see the specific states. You could always get in here and undo something that you no longer cover, save, or you could get in here and change your what is this, copy fees? Yeah, these must be copy fees because they're so cheap. So let's change this one to 50 cents and save. But you can manually get in here and change this as much as you want. You know, we understand that there's different counties that are charging you different amounts. And it's just tailored so that you could quickly access this and, you know, manually revise any of your fees. So let's go back to your side menu here. So once you're done either importing or manually entering all of your products and fees, now you come to uploading your E&O. It's very simple, just like uploading a job. Now, when it comes to E&O, you need to enter in your inception and expiration date. So let's say you started in 2011 with your E&O and you've been constantly covered since then. You can now put in your newest date. Now the reason, obviously your client's going to want your E&O certificate, but he'll want to know when it's going to expire, and you'll get a reminder that you need to upload a new one. And here you can upload your W-9. That's pretty simple. Again, you just drag and drop or use your hierarchy for your folder hierarchy to find them. Put it in there like that. Now we've uploaded two. Anyway, then you can upload any documents. If your client has you sign a subcontractor's agreement, then just come here and drag and drop, and you might have to label it a miscellaneous document. And that's nice and easy to do. And then here's your profile. You can make changes here. And you can always come here to get help. And we're going to put this video up here for you to help you with your entering in your fees and stuff. So I hope that makes sense. When you click here, you could go to your other client and see if they have any open orders for you. And then here, if you put everything in here, you'll see you could do the same thing here for your other client, uploading everything they need. Same type of thing. So hopefully you'll get 10 clients listed here, and you'll be able to just get in and out of this and quickly look at your open orders and upload them and give status and ETAs. You could do this on the fly. It was all designed for smartphones as well. And be sure to use this help button if you don't understand what you should do, and watch that video again, and I think you'll come out okay.